Welcome back, Crammers, to question 5. Bridget recorded the distance she ran on each of the 3 days. The table shows her results. Bridget set herself to run a total of at least 30 kilometers on these 3 days. Show that Bridget did not achieve her target. So when it says at least, it means greater than or equal to, and we write here 30 kilometers. Now notice how Monday, 5,950 meters, is not the same as Tuesday, 14.5 kilometers. So we simply have to convert this to kilometers. And when converting meters to kilometers, we divide by 1,000. So here, you can see that if we move the value 1, 2, 3, we get 5.95 kilometers for Monday, and 1, 2, 3, 9 kilometers for Wednesday. So assuming that we add all these values, it should be less than 30. Okay? So we'll have here 5.95 plus 14.5 plus 9. We can use our calculator to get our final answer. 5.9 plus 14.5 plus 9 gives us 29.4, 29.4, which is less than the 30 kilometers she aimed for. And that is our final answer. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.